Number 6. Number 6 says, Mr. Jones has 3/4 cups of fertilizer. He will use a 1/8 cup measuring scoop to pour all of the fertilizer onto his plants. How many times will Mr. Jones fill his measuring scoop with fertilizer? So I've got a picture of Mr. Jones, and he's holding the fertilizer, and I'm showing that there's 3/4 cups in here, and here's his little 1/8 scoop. And we want to know how many times, if he has 3/4 cups. So I'm going to just draw a quick little picture here. I'm going to let this represent 1 cup. All right, and how many eighths are in 1 cup? Well, there would be 8 eighths. So let's see. I can split this into 8 equal sections. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to the top. Does this to be like 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4? No, I'm sorry. 1/8. I'm counting by fourths. This will be 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8 because that's half. 5/8, 6/8, 7/8, and 8/8 would be all the way to the top. Now, how many 1/8 could I get out of 3/4? Well, where is 3/4? We're going to do this one 2 separate ways, with a model and then also just dividing it with fractions. All right, so 3/4 would be equivalent to 6/8. 6/8 and 3/4. If we simplified 6/8, that's 3/4. So our fertilizer in the container up here that Mr. Jones is holding is right there. So how many eighths are there? There's 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, and 6/8. So we can stick 6 groups. So it looks like he should be able to put fertilizer on 6 different plants, but let's test it out. So we've got 3/4 divided by 1/8. All right, so we're going to multiply by the reciprocal. Multiply by the reciprocal. Keep 3/4 the same. Then we're going to multiply, and we're going to do the reciprocal of 1/8, which is just flip it over, 8/1. All right, let's look for our seesaw friends. 1 and 3 do not have anything in common, but 4 and 8 do. They have a 4 in common. So we're going to divide by 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. Slash it and put a 1. 8 divided by 4 is 2. So then we multiply across. Multiply, divide, side by side. 3 times 2 is 6. 1 times 1 is 1. 6/1 is equivalent to 6. And 6 groups, whoa, I about knocked my phone over just now. 6 groups is the exact same thing we got up here. We drew a picture of the fertilizer. 3/4 of the fertilizer was 6 groups of 8. So you can multiply it using the reciprocal, or you can draw a model of it to get the same thing.